Welcome to learnerself.com. Today we'll see how to install BluditCMS on Ubuntu 21.04. CMS means Content Management System. It is the software used to manage the digital content. Bluedit is a flat file CMS that stores content and information in JSON format. This method allows users to build websites and blogs without installing or setting up the databases for building websites. Prerequisites for BluditCMS are Apache Web Server, PHP and its models. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next, I'm going to download the BluditCMS by using following command. Next, I'm going to extract the BluditCMS by using unzip command. Next, I'm going to move the extracted BluditCMS to the Apache home directory. Next, I'm going to change the ownership to the Bluedit directory. Next, I'm going to give the writable permission to the Bluedit directory. Next, I'm going to create the virtual host for the BluditCMS. This is my virtual host file. My server name is linuxhelpone.com. I given document to the directory as a Bluedit directory. After completely editing this file, press escape, :WQ for save and exit from the file. Next, I'm going to disable the default virtual host file. Next, I'm going to enable the Bluedit virtual host file. Next, I'm going to enable the rewrite model of Apache. Next, I'm going to restart the Apache web server. Next, I'm going to make the host entry for linuxhelpone.com. After completely editing the file, press escape, :WQ for write and quit from the file. Now go to the browser, ping the server name. This is the BluditCMS homepage. Click next. Create admin credential. Go to the admin panel, log in with admin credential. This is the dashboard of BluditCMS. Hence, how to install BluditCMS on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.